Tom, tell us about the wind.
The wind is crazy. Oh, wow.
Melissa, how's the wind make you feel? It is like unbelievably windy. I mean, I've never stood outside in this amount of wind before, but it's not stopping Tom.
Here we go. That's right.
Okay, so we've been out here for almost 2 hours, and it is so cold.
So cold.
Our hair is crazy. How do you feel about this?
I feel, well, part of my heart says, if we just get one person, it'll all be worth it.
Right.
But then my feet are saying, oh
Go
Lord!
It's been really windy. It's been really, really windy. Ran out of pins.
Oh, it feels great to be done.
Oh,
We've
wait.
survived the hurricane.
How many did we pass out, you think?
75,342 pins. Yes, we did.
We really did like 500 probably, right?
Yeah, we probably did 500.
Yeah.
We did. Yeah.
Okay. Now we get to go home. So I'm back at my flat after 25 minutes of walking in the wind and the waves of Edinburgh and a couple of hours of passing out flyers and pens. My face is for sure windburned. I can feel it. It's gonna be great, but it's all worth it. Passing out 500 pens and flyers to University of Edinburgh students, that's awesome. I don't exactly know what we're gonna do if 500 students come along to dinner on Wednesday, but you know, the Lord fed 5,000 before, so he can handle 500. I'm going to put on a sweatshirt and a hat and crawl under my duvet and warm up a little bit chilled on the inside. But it was a good day. This is what we're here for.